All right, today we're going to bring an oximeter, and this is to read your oxygen levels on your actual through your finger. Now, this is pretty critical during the COVID era where people were, couldn't breathe and had to monitor themselves. I actually personally owe my life to one of these. My oxygen level went below, it was around right below 80. So I checked myself into the hospital, and of course, it saved my life. If I would have waited a little longer, then things could get more critical. But I do believe in these a lot, and I really, really recommend you guys having one of these through your house. It's one of those things that you just want to make sure you're breathing right, or your lungs are not collapsing, or you don't have any infections and so forth. So we're gonna take a look at it and see how it works. Now they do give you the oximeter meter, and they actually include batteries too, and instructions, and also something to make it portable. You could take it with you. But once this is critical to keep in your cabin, your medicine cabin. So we're gonna put it together and see how it works. This takes two AAA batteries, all right? To insert it, it gives you the instructions, very simple, right? It's just covering it up and so forth. Now, this one's gonna last you for pretty much the whole entire year. So you just gotta press it in and put your finger in there and let it do its reading automatically. And right now, if you can see my oxygen levels, they're 96, 97, 98, 99. It goes into, if you guys can see it. So depends on it. And this is a live view of the oxygen reader. And to prove a point, we're also going to have a watch to actually read your oxygen level and to see how accurate they are. All right, we're going to test our watch to see our oxygen levels, how they are. So we're going to do an oxygen level right here. And we're going to let it run right now. And we're going to tap once to start the process. And we're going to see which one's accurate, right? How accurate they are. Now these watches have it built in. But, to have one of these, if you don't have a watch, this is it makes perfect sense. So right now we're at 697, 96. 99, it hits, it's normal, it's off by a couple degrees, but look at this. Very accurate. As you can see, it reads oxygen levels just exactly like my watch. So we're pretty much there, as you can see. Now, my heart rate, you can see in the bottom, 78. You can pick it up, drop it down, but this is a great indication of your health sometimes just by monitoring these things. Very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.